Welcome back, family. Nkiro here. Today I am super excited to share with you this delicious recipe. Olive oil chocolate chip cookies. It is healthy, it is easy, it is super delicious. Thank you so much at Salted Plains for giving us this delish. Without wasting time, join me in the kitchen. Let's do it. The ingredients we need are almond flour, salt, baking soda, maple syrup, chocolate chips, vanilla essence, and olive oil. I reduced salt and maple syrup to my taste. Add salt and baking soda to the flour and combine well. Then add maple syrup, olive oil, and vanilla essence and mix together. Fold in the chocolate chips. Allow the dough to rest for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, scoop the dough into a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Use your clean hands to shape them into round shapes. Press them down with your palm. Then top the cookies with additional chocolate chips if you so desire. If you're watching up till now and you haven't subscribed, what is holding you back? Go ahead and subscribe, please, and activate the notification bell so you will not miss any of our videos. We appreciate our subscribers and the new ones. Your love and support means so much to us. And don't forget to give us thumbs up, please, and share our videos. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 10 minutes. This is our super delicious olive oil chocolate chip cookies. Thanks again at Salted Plains for this recipe. It is simple, it is quick, it is super delicious, and it is healthy too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.